for an upgrade. Let's get one last bump out of her. Okay, so time for a test bump. So I got my mini SPL meter on the floor here. So we'll get to see what kind of numbers it's putting out. This is at 28 hertz is the low, so my peak is at 33. So we'll see what that maintains, and I guess do the same thing once I put the 8K in and see the difference. So let's get to it. Play. Alright, this is the before I rip it out. I loosened all this up, so the wires are loose, so I just gotta take it all apart. Okay, so I got everything pretty cleaned up, swept. I glove over my power wires. So I got the amp rack made. Since they're two different size amps, I couldn't exactly stack them correctly, but that looks a lot better. It's super, super solid. Yep. Turned out okay. Wish I had a little more distance here, but oh well. And they're all sitting on rubber grommets also. Thank God that these are angled, because they would be really hard to get to if they weren't. So, thank God for that. Yeah. Turning out really nice. See you in a minute. Okay, so crimped some new lugs on. And the good stuff, that DC audio. Oh, I love this stuff. Love, love, love this wire. So I mocked up the amp. So maybe it's gonna sit somewhere around there. And give a little bit of room for the wires. Here's my 4-gauge overboard speaker wire. So I have to cut that down a bit. I hate cutting these wires. They're so expensive that you want to keep them as long as possible. I already had to swap out wires because the amp is facing the other way, so can't use those now. Hate when that happens. But still got a little bit left. Yeah, that's where we are so far. I will be back. Sparky, Sparky. Cap's full. Alright, so I got it done. I still got some more stuff to do, but man. So I had to make a little platform because my wires come out over here, so my battery was over here. I had to scoot that over so I had room. I still got to put in my little, I got to put in a few things still, but I've been I've been going for 7.5 hours now, putting the amp rack together, cutting new wires. Yeah, turned out really good. I like it. And it's louder, I've heard it. Let's do a little demo and get some numbers. All right, here we go. Let's see. So if I remember correctly, before I took the Smart 5 out, it was a 141.7 or 6, I think is the highest I saw. And now I'm getting over 143. So that's almost a 2 decibel gain. That's something. Just off a simple switch. I mean, I still got some stuff to do, some tuning. But yeah, it gets down. Well, that was a nice little gain. I appreciate everybody watching. Still got some more stuff to do, but stay tuned and we'll do it. All right, y'all. Peace.